This is a short demonstration video on changing an ink cartridge replacement board. And the first thing you need to determine is which board is bad, the B or the C board. So look on your display and you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And it will show you that one of these is bad. Generally speaking, it's 1, 2, 3, or 4 that's going to be bad. So as soon as you know whether it's 1 to 4 or 5 to 8, then you come back, open the top of the machine, of course, and both ink replacement boards and the B and C boards are here. They're numbered back to front. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And the board we're going to change is right here. So when you receive the boards, they will be packed, and you simply unroll them from the packaging. And you will note that the cables are already hooked up. Do not remove the cables under any circumstances. The cables are factory installed. You remove them from this board, not from this board. So the next step is to remove this reset wire, and then you will simply unplug the 4 cables here. Note that this back cable location is always empty on this board. Okay? So we're going to unplug 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this board actually has some adhesive on it. And if you take a small screwdriver and go up underneath the edge of it, I can get it here with my finger, and just lift up on it, it will release and come off. Set that board aside. Take your new board and remove the adhesive backing so that you have the sticky adhesive on just half of the board. Half is plenty, and that way if you have to change one in the future, they're much easier to replace. Position the board in the correct area, adhere the board down, and then simply take the 4 cables, and note that the connector side and the blue side, the non-connector side, the blue side faces the board. So the connectors are facing the back of the machine here, and we will install this 1, 2, 3, and sometimes to get these to seat, when you push down, you can rock them a little bit back and forth. And that's the 4th connector coming up here. Okay, and then you can plug this wire back into the board. And at that point in time, if you want to put a little bit of black tape on these, you can, but it makes no difference how they are. So they can just be kind of a looped format, and we're all finished. Now we go back to the control panel, and we're going to start the machine up, and the machine should come up, and after 20 seconds to 2 minutes of checking ink cartridge area, it should say either paper out if the shuttle is out, or ready if the shuttle is in. Thank you.
You want to?